the ramp done. We're getting to use the crane with electric hoist on it. Sawmill's right here. We're not even used it yet. We're getting everything else ready. Whoa. See if you can get it all the way up there in the middle. That's it. Way to go. That'll work.
With the winch controller, he did that all with the stump.
Normally the sawmill will be in the front of the trailer. We just had a short log testing, so it's all doing good. So anyways, that's what me, and this is the master welder over here, Charles Wilson, and the master winch operator.
Yeah, he's a crane operator.
And me, the mastermind.